So today guys I will show you my homemade squishy. So today guys I will show my homemade squishy. Okay, first is this check mark. It's like a fidget board. Access. There we go. This is my homemade squishy. And then this is my favorite, the needs. This is needle weight. Yeah. Oops. This is says needle. See? You did this needle. So that's the needle. So the same needle. Color pink needle, a check mark and a needle, and then this is my other favorite, butter squishy. Says butter squishy. Oh wait, this is a butter. This is butter in it. This is my favorite, guys. I already have a butter, but I wanna make my own butter. So yeah, yes. I got a noodle butter and a check mark. Okay, bye guys. Go like and subscribe.